Let me tell you about Carla. Carla came from a family of seamstresses or modistas, as we call them way back when. Being a seamstress is actually in her DNA because as far as she can remember, her lola, her maternal grandmother, was the first one who started this profession. And all her life, Carla would see her own mother, who was also a modista, creating beautiful dresses. She would marvel at the women from all walks of life coming into their little shop to try those beautiful creations on and loving them. So Carla is also very talented. She's so talented that even if she is a licensed medical technologist, she opted to continue her mother's business as a seamstress and to continue the legacy of her lola. So after working in the hospital for years as a medtech and learning about processes, she had an insight on how to apply what she observed in the medical field to sewing dresses. And she devised a system of creating premium gowns and dresses so that she can do what she enjoys, which is designing and making patterns, and then just getting workers to do the rest of the repetitive tasks for her. So Carla's business did very well for about 2 years. And then labor and material costs started to skyrocket. And because she hesitated too long to raise her prices, her business began to lose money. And when I met Carla, she told me about how her fear of losing clients kept her stuck in a cycle of financial worries. And when Carla decided to finally break free from her old ways, I introduced to her some skills that allowed her to reframe her thinking. Yes, we worked on her thinking first. And that's when she saw the value of her skills and how precious her time was. She saw the value also of the talents that she had inherited from her grandmother to her mother, now to herself. And it was when her perspective shifted that she was able to confidently communicate to her customers her new price point. She was surprised that not only did her old clients stay, but new customers seeking premium quality were drawn to her brand because her prices now are higher and she was attracting high-paying customers. So Carla's business blossomed, and it just proved that believing in your worth and embracing abundance attracts success. So remember, your mind is a powerful magnet. The way you think can either help you or keep you stuck. So choose your thoughts very, very well.